What's going on, guys? It's Power Boys coming back at you with another bang video. Today we are here at Haleiwa, you know what I'm saying, in Hawaii, and we're about to go on One Ocean Diving. That's the company we're going on for a nice little shark dive for the boys. Get some nice video for you guys. Hopefully we see a tiger shark, maybe a 50-foot great white, 200-foot alligator. You'll have to see the video. So this morning we scheduled a trip to go out on the water with One Ocean Diving. Just after we pulled out of the harbor, we were escorted by a pod of spinner dolphins. They jumped around for a little while, spinning up to 7 times. It took us about 25 minutes to reach the mooring line, and during the ride out, our safety diver gave us a briefing on how to safely enjoy the dive as well as some interesting information on the sharks. The most common sharks they see are Galapagos sharks, which are what we saw, plus we saw some sandbar sharks. Because of the underwater geography, nutrients get pushed up to this location similar to clouds accumulating near mountains. This is how the sharks get drawn into the same location and doesn't require any feeding. For the most part, the sharks did not come within 15 feet of the surface, so to get a good glimpse of these creatures, our safety diver would spot us one at a time as we held our breath and dove down to observe. Free diving feels so weightless and peaceful. It is just you and the sharks coexisting in a clear and quiet environment. As we were told during the educational introduction, dominant predators are closer to the surface and less dominant are deeper. So, once you begin to descend, you lose a few degrees of dominance. But the sharks aren't hardwired human eaters like everyone has believed and been told. Being in the water with so-called jaws really helps you understand the real beauty and nature of these animals. Unfortunately, we have demonized the image of sharks in the news and in movies, leading to widespread paranoia. One Ocean Shark Diving did a fantastic job at bringing in a new perspective on sharks and helped us safely interact with them in their own home.
Alright guys, we just got to CRISPY GRINDZ, the Açaí bowl place that I've really been wanting to go to. It's a little truck on the North Shore over in Haleiwa, and there's a bunch of little food trucks right now, but we're gonna get a little breakfast Açaí bowl. So I'm gonna show you what we got right now. Alright, here we go. Here's my CRISPY GRINDZ bowl. This is a small, and it already comes with banana and granola in it. And then all the other things you get to add on. So I added blueberries, chia seeds, strawberries, and some honey. And this is a large bowl. Look at that. This thing's huge.
Something about this I never really hear the soul. Hard to explain, but if you've been there, then you know.
Once Cross and I finished our Açaí bowls, we decided to go check out some random parts of the North Shore. Here we stumbled across a tiny lava rock beach just south of Waimea Bay. This area was really cool because we had it completely to ourselves. We got to explore the tide pools, and we even got to see some turtles in the bay.
There ain't no other place like these islands. It's
About 25 minutes north of Waimea Bay, there's a little town called Kahuku. In this town, there's a food truck village, home to one of the most famous trucks in all of Hawaii, called Giovanni'S Shrimp Truck. To finish off the day, we went to a little place with a naturally barricaded pool between Three Tables Beach and Sharks Cove. Here you can find a lot of small fish and extremely calm conditions. However, getting into the water can be an issue. The rocks surrounding the area are very sharp, so be careful if you ever check it out.
Don't matter what city or island that you at, this place is something special and you know you won't forget. With all my love and loyalty and utmost respect, proud Kanaka, and you know that I'ma always represent that HAWA.
This place was the perfect location to finish off the night with a beautiful sunset.